Yo, what's up guys? Imagine walking into a factory where humans don't lift a finger, yet everything runs perfectly. Robots building robots, no breaks, no errors, no coffee needed. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's real and it's called Figure 03, the next-gen humanoid that's rewriting everything we thought we knew about AI and robotics. Figure AI has been on a mission to build the world's first fully autonomous humanoid workforce. We've seen Figure 01 and Figure 0 to take baby steps toward that dream. But Figure 03 just dropped like a mick. This isn't a prototype anymore, it's a production-ready machine. And today, we're breaking down exactly how it crushes Figure 02 in design, power, intelligence, and scalability. Buckle up. Alright, before we get deep, let's rewind. Figure 02 was impressive, faster processing, smoother motion, and real-world tests in BMW's manufacturing plants. It could manipulate tools, walk autonomously, and even hold basic conversations using AI models. But it had one big problem: it wasn't built for scale. You couldn't mass-produce it efficiently, and costs were through the roof. Enter Figure 03, the version that takes everything Figure 0 to start it and turbocharges it into something practical, powerful, and ready for global deployment. Let's talk power. Figure 03 comes with a brand new 2.3 kilowatt-hours battery system, engineered in-house, integrated right into its torso. That's good for around 5 hours of continuous operation at full load. Compared to Figure 02's older pack, this one delivers way more energy density and 78% lower cost. Yeah, 78. That's not an upgrade. That's a revolution. And safety. Next level. We're talking thermal shields, multi-layer protection, flame suppression, and a self-monitoring BMS that reacts faster than your phone charging chip. The result, a robot that's not just stronger, but also safer, lighter, and easier to maintain. Hook time. If Figure 02 was like an electric scooter prototype, Figure 03 is a Tesla Model 3, refined, optimized, and built for mass production. One of the biggest criticisms of Figure 02 was that it looked amazing on paper, but couldn't be scaled in numbers. Figure 03 changes that entirely. From day one, it's been designed using design for manufacturability principles, meaning every joint, cable, and module can be replicated, assembled, and replaced easily. The company's goal? High-rate manufacturing starting in 2025. That means we could soon see hundreds, even thousands of humanoids rolling out of factories, ready to take on real-world jobs. Imagine logistics centers, car plants, or disaster zones where these robots step in seamlessly. No fatigue, no mistakes, just precision and speed. Now let's move from muscle to mind. Figure 02 already ran some serious AI, using 6 RGB cameras, NVIDIA GPS, and a vision language model that allowed it to recognize objects and respond to speech. But Figure 03, it's smarter, faster, and more energy efficient. Sources suggest it's using a next-gen inference engine that processes sensory data in real time, letting it learn from its environment without human guidance. Translation: it doesn't just follow instructions, it adapts. Think about that for a second. We're no longer talking about pre-programmed robots. We're talking about self-learning systems that analyze, predict, and act independently. That's the same direction Tesla's Optimus is heading. And Figure 03 just jumped into the same league. Humanoid robots look cool, but if they're not safe, they're useless. Figure 03 is packed with safety engineering that puts its predecessors to shame. The new battery housing doubles as a structural component, making the robot sturdier and reducing the number of internal parts that can fail. It also includes redundant control systems, meaning if one sensor glitches, another takes over instantly. That's the kind of reliability you need if these machines are going to work alongside humans in warehouses and factories. Meanwhile, Figure 0 was great for demos, sleek, futuristic, but still fragile under real-world conditions. Figure 03 is the one that's finally built to last. So why does Figure 03 matter? Because this isn't just an update, it's a pivot point in robotics history. It's the first humanoid that combines commercial-grade safety, scalable design, intelligent autonomy, and long battery life in one package. Imagine 5 years from now, entire production lines run by humanoid robots, delivery centers filled with figures packing boxes faster than humans could dream of. This is how automation shifts from concept to reality. And Figure AI knows it. Rumor has it they're aiming to price the robot around $20,000, putting it in direct competition with Tesla's Optimus. If that's true, we're about to witness one of the most epic tech rivalries of our generation. Here's where it gets wild. Figure AI's long-term vision isn't just to build factory workers. It's to create general-purpose humanoids that can handle real-world tasks anywhere. Imagine your Figure 03 doing logistics today, elder care tomorrow, and disaster relief next week. And with every task it learns, its neural models improve, meaning your robot gets smarter the longer it works. That's the real definition of self-evolving AI. We're watching the birth of something big. The beginning of robotic civilization. Yeah, that sounds dramatic, but look at the pace. Figure 01 was a proof of concept. Figure 02 was a test mule, and Figure 03 is the one stepping into the real world. So here's the question. Who's going to dominate the humanoid race, Figure or Tesla? Will the precision engineering of Figure 03 outshine the mass market muscle of Optimus? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Smash that like button if you're hyped for the future of robotics. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of next-gen tech. Because remember, the robots aren't coming. They're already here. And Figure 03 just made that crystal clear.